Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The average of 9 numbers is 25. If the average of first 4 numbers is 22 and the last 4 number is 18, find the fifth number. So let's see, we are given some 9 numbers. So let's see x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8 and x9. Be required 9 numbers. Okay, let these be required 9 numbers. Now it's given that average of these 9 numbers is 25. So x1 plus x9. So sum of all these numbers divided by 9 is 25. Since average equal to sum of all samples divided by number of samples. Okay, so we can say that sum of all these numbers, that is x1 through x9, x2 till x8 plus x9, is equal to 25 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 225. Now it is also given that average of first 4 numbers is 22. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4 is 22. So we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 88. Similarly, it's given that average of last 4 numbers is 18. So x6 plus x7 plus x8 plus x9 divided by 4 is 18. So we are given x6 plus x7 plus x8 plus x9 is equal to 18 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 72. Now we have sum of 9 numbers as 225. So sum of 9 numbers is equal to sum of first 4 numbers plus fifth number plus sum of last 4 numbers. So we can simply write 225 is equal to 88 plus fifth number plus 72. Solving this, we get fifth number. So we get fifth number equal to 225 minus 88 plus 72. So that is equal to 225 minus 160, which is equal to, let's see, that is 65. So we get fifth number as 65. This is the answer.